Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to be installing the BMS oil catch can kit on my N55 335. So you want to run an oil catch can kit when you notice a lot of oil blow by in the intake, and I noticed a lot of blow by on this car when I upgraded to my VRSF charge pipe. So the inside of the old charge pipe was coated in oil, and since I'm going to be installing an upgraded intercooler soon, I just want to prevent any blow by from getting in there. Before I get started, let's just go through and check out what comes in the box. So once you open up the box, one of the first things that you see is the catch can itself. So this is actually pretty nicely made, and it's going to be very easy to install. Over here is a mounting bracket that we're going to use to mount in the engine bay. This is a little adapter. This right here is a little adapter that we're going to connect the catch can to the PVC system with. And these two hoses over here are just going to be our connections from PCV to the catch can. Alright, so the first step we want to do is we want to get our catch can and our mounting bracket, and then just move the screws over from here to where the mounting holes are on the side. Alright, once you've done it, you're going to have something that looks like this. So just go ahead and snug those screws up. If you want, you can take a 5mm hex socket and just tighten it up. And this is just for future reference, but when you're going to go empty it out, you can either unscrew it from here, or you can use the little drain plug here at the bottom. If you haven't already, go ahead and remove your engine cover from the middle over there. We're going to need access there soon. So the next step to mounting this is just to remove this little 10mm bolt right here, and then we're going to slide our mounting bracket in there. Alright, so this is how it should look at the end, with the bracket underneath the coolant reservoir mount, and then your catch can just sitting over here. So next we're going to work on the PCV side of things. Alright, now we're just going to remove these two T25 screws. Alright, now that we've gotten the sensor loosened down there, took some work. Now we can just loosen these 4 clamps, 1, 2, 3, 4, at the bottom, and then take the PCV hose out. Alright, now we just want to replace where the sensor was with our little hose adapter, so we can just get it in the same place where it was before. So once you've made sure that it's in, you can go ahead and get the old screws in. Alright, now it's time to add the hoses. So this side is the in, and then this side is the out. We're going to take this long hose first, or we're going to cut it and connect the outside over here to the adapter that we just installed. So we're going to have to cut this long curved hose to the right length. Alright, once you cut your pipe to the appropriate length, just kind of wiggle it on. Alright, once you've forced the out hose on, you can get your in hose. And this is a really easy fitting because this is a small side and then here's a big side. And it's cut exactly for the distance. Now I'm just going to take this old sensor here and just kind of zip tie it off to the side. And that's all there is to it. So after you got your 2 hoses in here and then you bolted the bracket down, all it's left to do is put the engine cover back on. But the thing is, with these bigger hoses, you're going to have to trim a little bit off the edge here. So just kind of use whatever trimming tool you got and trim so that the hoses will fit. So the hose fits right in there. And that's all there is to it. So now you're not going to have any more blow by in your intake and gunking up your valves. Instead, it should all go in this oil catch can. Alright, that's all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and stay tuned for the next ones.